Welcome to Succulents for Beginners. And today, we are gonna use a rooting hormone. Will it help? Will it expedite growth on our succulents? Let's find out right after this. I'll remove all the top leaves. We will not use a rooting hormone on this stump, but I'm eager to find out what will happen to this. Will it die or will it grow? Let's find out! So please watch until the end of this video to be sure not to miss anything. For the leaves, we will use rooting hormone on half of them and the other half without rooting hormone. I'm adding rich soil here and make it very moist. Then add pumice on top and moisten a little. Why this setup? Because the moist soil under will encourage the leaves to root, while the pumice will keep the leaves dry and avoid rot. This rooting hormone is available online. You can use any brand you want. I'm not promoting this brand nor am paid by them to do this video. It's just what I have right now. 5 of the leaves we will add rooting hormone, and these other 5 leaves without rooting hormone. After a day, let's keep the soil moist. If you have a pet fish, you can use the aquarium water as natural fertilizer. Using this water, you will have an unlimited supply of natural fertilizers. If you love pet fish as much as succulents like we do, please visit our other channel, Pet Fish Channel. Alright, let's see how they look after 2 weeks. Let's check these leaves without rooting hormone first. Nice roots! 4 out of 5 have roots. All of them don't have any pups though. Now, the leaves with rooting hormone. Nice roots and cute little pups. All 5 of them have nice roots and pups. I'm gonna continue to moisten the soil below the pumice to encourage more roots to grow. After 3 weeks, do the leaves without rooting hormone catch up? Let's find out! But I'm gonna check these leaves with rooting hormone first. Roots and pups are bigger now. These leaves without rooting hormone have longer roots, but none of them have developed pups until now. 4 out of 5 have roots, but none of them have pups. How about the stump? As we can see, it has grown 3 pups in as short as 3 weeks. I'm gonna remove all of these remaining leaves to propagate more. As a result of removing all of the leaves, it will grow more pups in a few weeks, while we grow new plants on the leaves. We are making lots of new plants out of a single Echeveria succulent. What do you think about the use of rooting hormone? Is it worth it? Please let us know in the comments below. If you like our videos, please support us by treating us to a cup of coffee in Patreon. Details in the description below. With your monetary support, we can build a trustworthy video library about succulents to help you and the world who love succulents like us. Check out these other videos and be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we upload new videos.